Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya University. As a part of our Master a Concept Just in 10 Minutes series, now I am explaining the difference programming skills versus coding skills. Nowadays, you might have seen several ads, learn coding skills, that frequent advertisement. According to me, it is one-way deception. But that part you decide. I don't want to talk negatively on anybody. After understanding this concept, you can decide whether the advertisement is right or not. Okay, now let us talk about software development process. Software development process or a project development process or program development process, whatever it may be, all are same. And it is having five phases. If you understand all these five phases, you can understand what software developers are doing in their profession. Okay, now I explain the thing. First one is understanding problem. Second one is analysis. Third one is algorithm. Fourth one is coding. Fifth one is testing. These are five phases. Actually, for your information, you know all these phases. All these phases, it's a simple example I explain. Now, technically, with reference to software development, I am explaining. Without that also, you know that. How you know that? Just I explain. You write your college exam. While writing your college exam, first what you do? First, you understand the problem. Without understanding question, will you write the answer? Never. So first you have to thoroughly understand the question, understanding problem. That is the first step. Okay. Thereafter what you are doing, what the right answer I have to write and all that you think of, that is analysis. So you get a basic idea like this, I have to write like this and all that. This way if I write and all that, that will be the correct answer. Thereafter algorithm, then what you do, one basic idea you got, now you split it into items or parts, you make a scribbling also, this one, like that, detailed steps, this is one step only, I have to write like this. Now detailed steps you write, and thereafter every step you explain, that is algorithm. You think of like that and write in the examination. After writing is over, once you test it, why you test it? Some points might be missed and all that. On paper you have written A, B, C, D, E, F steps. So whether all the steps are written properly or not, presented properly or not, you check up. That is testing. So this process you know in your real life, but with reference to software development, I explain all these steps, understand properly. Actually, understanding problem, like your examination, without understanding problem, you never think of solution. So this is called problem domain. This is very challenging. Why very challenging means this is called technically domain understanding, means problem understanding. Actually, in medical field, you know, several lot of specializations are there. Dentist, cardiologist, urologist, neurologist, ENT specialist, dermatologist, like that many 10 plus branches are there. For everything specialization is there, specialist. If you get any dental problem, go to a dentist, not to cardiologist. But if you put a board, software developer, any type of businessman may come. In world, thousands of types of business are there, like a hotel, school, college, stock broking, transport, like that. Hundreds and thousands of businesses are there. Any businessman may come to you to get his software developed. Here one thing I have to tell you, you go to hotel just for eating, but you never know how hotel is managed. But without knowing how hotel is managed, how you can write software on that? How your software can manage a hotel? That point you have to understand. You go to college or school from the childhood, but do you know how college is managed? You never know that. Whenever you want to develop a software to manage a school or college, then you have to think in that direction. That means whatever knowledge hotel owner is having, that much knowledge you have to get. Hotel owner running his business years long, Obviously you should have, but you get a few days or few weeks time to understand the whole domain. That is the starting point of developing a project. So that point you have understanding problem, that is domain knowledge, a very core. So being a software developer, you should be in a position to understand every business. Thereafter, solution. Which solution we want to get? Actually, what your client is expecting. A hotel owner came to you. Then what is expecting from the software? That you have to have clear understanding. You have to understand his language, understanding his objective, and you can give solutions also. So first thing is problem domain, second thing is solution domain. This is the source, this is the destination. Suppose I am in Bangalore, I have to go to Vizag. I should have clarity where I am, where I have to go, what is the distance, how can I go, how much time it takes, how much cost it is, all that I think of. So first this is the most challenging one, it's not so easy. Thereafter analysis. Analysis means now you are very clear about the 2 points, problem and solution. Now how to bridge, you think of in this direction, then you get a logical solution or action plan. If I do like this and all that, I can get the solution. This is vague. Generally, I do like this, then I can get the solution. This is the outcome of analysis. Whenever you have problem, personal problem also, you want to get rid of, you have to want to overcome, then you think of, then one solution will come. The solution is vague, but a vague solution you get. Okay, if I do like this and A, B, C, D, E, F, I can solve. That's it. But clarity is required. Then algorithm you have to develop. Algorithm is this idea you dissect into steps. You write it in English only. You need not know the computer language. For the 3 steps, you need not know the computer language. This is very core part. You write like this. Simple example I am telling you. Why this algorithm is required means, for computer every bit you have to explain. It is a idiot mission. Simple example I tell you regarding algorithm. Simple. Actually, I give a check to my assistant to get money withdrawn. Just I need not speak anything. Just if I give check, you can give cash to me. Now, which steps he implemented means, now I tell you the algorithm. Take the check, go to the bank, go to the counter, give the check, collect cash, count it, keep it safe, come to me and give. 9 steps he implemented. But as far as the computer is concerned, every bit you have to explain. First thing is, this should be dissected like this. In order to implement every step, then you have to write computer language instructions. So now coding. Coding means how you have written. This is written in English. So it should be transformed into programming language instructions. These are called programming language instructions. This is programming. This is program. A program means nothing but a set of instructions. Okay, your program is ready. Simply finishing program, your job is not over. Then you have to test it. You have to give all probable inputs to it. What inputs are possible, all that you give, and to test all the outputs. That is testing. This point you have to understand. Where coding skills? Why you should become a coder? You should become a programmer. If you evolve as a programmer, coding skills are part of that. Here, simple example I am telling you. You want to become a tailor. Then would you like to become a master tailor or a stitching tailor? Master tailor. Master tailor knows all these things, but stitching tailor knows only stitching. Within one week or 10 days, you become a stitching tailor. But your objective should be master tailor. That's why learning coding skills is here. You think of whether that advertisement is right or not. You decide yourself and proceed.